Hey, it's me Mario, and in this video I'm going to give you a full demo of our brand new ADA Comply 2.0 app, okay? Now this app helps you optimize your and your clients' websites to be as compliant as possible. If your website is not ADA compliant right now, you're leaving yourself open for major lawsuits. Now this works in just 3 simple steps. You generate your profile, you copy our code, and you are good to go. Let me show it to you in action. This page right here, right now, is not compliant, okay? So let's make it compliant in just a couple of minutes. I go here to our dashboard, I click here on Get Started. It says here already Mario's page. Then I have to enter the website URL and then I click here on Next. Now just like this, I can now copy this code right here and I can go to my WordPress dashboard. I go here to where it says Settings. I go here to Header and Footer. And all I have to do right now is enter it in the actual footer right here. So I copy paste it here, I save the settings. Okay, this is happening in real time. It's super quick and easy, even if you're not a technical person. I go back to my website right here, I click refresh, and now you're gonna see that we are going to have a widget on the website on the upper left-hand side right here, as you can see. And if I click on that, I have a lot of ADA compliance in place already. So anyone with a hearing disability or anyone using a listening aid or a hearing aid or a viewing aid, they can go right here and they can do different settings for ADA compliance, and that way this website is now way more accessible for anyone that has any potential disabilities, okay? Now, how quick was that? If you want to change where your icon actually shows up, I can go back here, okay, and I can click here on Continue to Website Settings, and then you can actually customize this right here. I can click here on General Settings and you can give it a different color. So let's go with red right now. You can say where you want this widget to show up. So let's go here on the lower right, for example, and then you can select different requirements here for ADA compliance, okay? We have more training on that in the tutorials, but you know, right now I just have the basic settings set up and I can click here on Update Site-Wide Accessibility Profile. It updated it just like that. I go back here to my website, check this out. I click here on refresh and now it's gonna show up on the lower right-hand side. And you're gonna see it here in just a second. As the page is loading here, you can see it's now on the lower right, it's now in red. You can customize everything right here. We also have a setting in our dashboard right here where you can click on policy statement, and here you can create a beautiful, fully customized policy statement that shows up on your website. So if anyone ends up on your website and they want to see if you are ADA compliant, they're going to see a nice policy statement. This is important. If you have this statement in place and if you have our widget in place, it is highly unlikely that any law firm is going to go after you, okay? This is how easy it is to use, okay? And how quickly you can get your website optimized to be as compliant as possible. Now, the cool thing in version 2.0 is that we're also giving you a lead generation and an opportunity to actually make money. If I go back here to my menu right here, okay, we can now create reports. So for example, if I click here on compliance reports, I can go right here, I can click here on generate report, and then here in the URL, I can enter any website I like, okay? So I'm gonna grab another website that I own. I go back here to the dashboard, check this out. I can copy paste the URL in here and then I can click on generate compliance report. And just like this, we now have a beautiful report and analysis of a website, okay? Now here you can see the severity. It shows me here low severity, but here also it shows me high, okay? Or medium, for example, all the breaches of the requirements. Now what I can do, check this out. This is really cool. I can click here on Export PDF, and you're gonna see in a moment why this is so cool. I can put my name in here, just a quick email, and then I can make up a phone number here really quick. You would obviously add your own information right here. Now what I can do is I can click here on save, and now I can click on download the report. Now check this out. It's now going to real-time download the report. I can open the report right now, and this right here is a beautiful PDF, okay, that you can send out to prospects and actually get paid to helping businesses with this service, okay? So there's an introduction here that explains what ADA compliance is or what ADA stands for. And then more importantly, for this specific website, as you can see right here, we then have the report here in a nice PDF, which is gonna show the prospect that they absolutely need help with their actual website, okay? And then if I scroll down here, we also have a call to action that's gonna tell them that they should reach out to you and to hire you and to pay you to actually help them with ADA compliance, okay? We can do all of this from inside our software. So you can just click here, well, like I said, on compliance report, and then you can grab any website you like, any URL, you can plug it in here, and just like that, you're gonna be able to create a beautiful report, okay? Now, Another thing that we added right now in beta is an actual lead gen tool, okay? So I can go here, we have a database here of different businesses. So I can say, for example, dentist, okay? And then I can choose different states right here. We're adding more states on a daily basis. So let's go with Colorado, and then I can click here on submit search. And just like that, now you can see different businesses listed right here in Colorado, right? So I see the name right here, I see the category, I can see the city, I can see how much revenue they're generating, and I can see the website. Okay, now that I see the website, I can click here on view. And now I get even more detailed business information. But more importantly, if I click here on generate web accessibility report, it's again going to bring me the actual ADA analysis that I just showed you. You can then download it as a PDF and reach out to this business directly via email, okay? This can all be done from the comfort of your home, and you can do it via email. So that way, you know, with the situation right now with the worldwide lockdown, this is a great opportunity and a great brand new service that you can actually sell to local businesses, and they need it. If you check out our website, our sales page, you will see all the different lawsuits that businesses are being hit with. And with this right here, ADA Comply 2.0, as you saw, you can help your businesses get optimized in just minutes, and you can use our PDF and our lead gen software right here to actually find prospects and reach out to them, all from the comfort of your home. I hope that makes sense. I hope you enjoyed this demo, and I can't wait to see you inside the members area.